Alright guys, special video today. You guys might think, why am I all suited up? Why I'm all looking all good and professional today? Well, today is a special day because today we've got a special package that we're gonna go ahead and unbox for you guys. This is a god tier package. If you don't know what I mean, don't worry, Nico Leonard will tell you. But god tier meaning we're gonna get something special to wear on our wrist. Maybe not so silvery, but very special indeed. Something that's been worn by previous presidents of the United States, by previous Bin Ladens. Oh my god, what could President of the United States and a Bin Laden have in common? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. So something very special in this little box. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. Package arrived for me today. I've been waiting for it for a couple days, and I'm here and I'm ready to go. That's why I took the occasion to wear a nice lovely suit. Yes. Well, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the suit? You guys like the suit? Good quality, yes? Good quality, nice British suit. Okay, lovely jubbly. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this little goodie right here, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside this package and why it is so god tier. So let's go ahead and do this. Nice little cracking of the package at the top here. Okay, excellent. Okay, so there you go. Package is now unlocked. Yeah, lovely little parcel delivery from Amazon. And inside we have something in there. And here it is. Boom! There it is in this special little box. What could it be? What could it be? Well, we're going to go ahead and show you guys what this could be. It's been boxed up and it's just arrived from Switzerland. So this has come from Switzerland. So we're going to pay very good attention to this. But it's something that a president has worn. It's something that previous world leaders have worn. It is something that is very special and it is god tier. So let's not mess around with this. There's some tape at the bottom here. I like how they packaged it. They made sure it's nice and good. I do have my handy dandy pair of scissors. So let's go ahead and open these up. Okay, little scissors and a little package. I see that there's a little hole over here, so I'm going to use that. Okay, excellent. Go ahead and just unravel and unwrap what's inside. Just go ahead and do that for you guys on screen right now. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, excellent. Oh, it's quite a nice little box as well that it's in. And ta-da! There it is. The god tier package, the god tier piece. Casio. Have a look at that, guys. There's the box right there. I like how they've done this. A beautiful box as well. Beautiful box. Right, so they've got a special compartment over here. So let's go ahead and it's just little. Ooh. Oh, look how stunning that is, huh? Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Comes in its own little case. Something absolutely amazing is inside. Let's go ahead and pop this lid open. Ooh. Oh, the lid pops open. Nice, lovely little lid. We've got a foam piece right here to reveal the god tier gold plated Casio. Oh, look at that. A god tier piece. The gold plated Casio. You can see the dial inside. Okay, guys, I'm going to take out what's inside the box. Very special day for me. But this is my first watch, a gold plated Casio. What do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think? Okay, so for those of you guys that want to know, this is the electroluminescence Casio, the water resistance Illuminator gold plated. And if you guys want to buy this beautiful piece, link's going to be in the description down below. But yes, it's time to put this baby on. Let's go ahead and look at the strap and look at the plate of this watch. Oh, it is absolutely delightful. Okay, so there's the box itself. I do think okay, we'll just put the beautiful watch to the side. Look at that, you can even see his dial is ticking right now. Oh, it's 3 o'clock. Yes, it is 3 in the afternoon. Okay, might have to set the date and time there. Okay, let's see if there's anything else inside here. So we've got just a foam piece here. Oh yes, and you got your little Casio booklet as well. And inside the booklet will be all the instructions on how to set the date and time, right? So there's all of that there. So yeah, it tells you how to set the date and time, and all those beautiful little instructions in that detailed booklet in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and read through this, but for now let's go ahead and look at the beautiful piece itself. Here it is, the Casio Illuminator gold plated. Absolutely beautiful, guys. This is a very affordable watch and the price is amazing. If you guys are looking for your first watch to buy, you can't go wrong with the god tier Casio. Look at that, guys, look at that. There's the god tier Casio. So there's the golden dial, and the strap is amazing as well. We're gonna go ahead and put that on. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. So we've got the Casio little logo right there, little something special. Okay, so the clip here at the back even says Casio on it, so you guys can see. Nice beautiful little Casio right there. Just go ahead and clip this upwards and boom, it all comes nice and out. Just going to go ahead and take this tag off. Okay, so there it is, the tag has come off. So there's the beautiful little Casio tag, and that will have all the information of the watch itself, its special number and where it's from. So it came to me from Switzerland today, and there we go, we've got the beautiful watch itself. Absolutely amazing, guys. Come on, black and gold on a gold plated watch. This is just magnificence right here. Look at this timepiece, absolutely amazing. And yeah, of course it's got the Casio stamps at the back, and there's the face. Right, next up we're gonna go ahead and put it on the wrist. See how it feels, and then I'll probably adjust it as well. So obviously it's all just adjustable. So I'm gonna pop it on now and see how it feels, see how good it is. Yes, I might have to make a few adjustments here. So we're gonna have to adjust this strap here, and it's very easy. There's a clip on the inside for us to adjust it. So you just clip that backwards, and then we'll be able to adjust that. But yeah, there you go. Casio Illuminator watch. We'll just go ahead and read something sharp. Flick that up. Excellent, there we are. So just flick it up. I'm just going to adjust it so that it fits me perfectly. I think just about here is right. Okay. I just have to clip it in. It's a bit of an interesting adjustment. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how this is done because I don't know how to do the adjustment for the watch. I think it has to be on a bend. Yeah, it has to be on a bend. Alright, good, great. Okay, great. We'll go ahead and figure that out later on. But there you guys go. There's the watch itself. The Casio Illuminator watch. Right, I'm going to go ahead and take the... Oh, there we are. Absolutely amazing. There you go, the perfect Casio timepiece. Go ahead and wear that on my wrist, and I'll show you guys exactly how that looks. But there you guys go. There's a look at a very special gold plated watch that you guys can grab, and it's very cheap. It's very, very cheap. So if you guys want to grab your first watch, there's nothing that you can go better with than a Casio, right? There you guys go, Casio gold plated Illuminator watch. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next upload. Peace out, bye bye.